Hi, good morning, students. How are you? Okay, so today we start our new topics. Okay, we come something out from the electric field. Okay, so uh, our next topic that is the capacitor. ये हम capacitor के बारे में बात करेंगे. Capacitor उसका ऊपर what is capacitor? What is the capacitance? उससे पहले हम बात करेंगे about the dielectrics. Okay, what are the dielectrics? It's very important topic. So dielectrics. Dielectrics. So what is this dielectrics? Actually, dielectrics are non-conducting substance. Okay, are non-conducting substance. They are non-conductors. Like insulators. Okay, insulators is a non-conductor. So that is also, you can say this is also a dielectrics. Now, you recall that when a conductor is, so there is a conductor, this is a conductor, when it is kept inside electric field, okay, in an external field, suppose there is an external field, okay, like this, if it kept inside electric field, that is called external field, is like this. So, let this be E naught, we denote it by E naught. E naught is what? It is a external field. And due to this field, we know that electric field, what? It is always from the positive charge towards the negative charge. It means what? There will be an induction, okay? Induction is our fetched padha. There will be an induction and the negative charge will be here, it's like this. And the positive charge will be induced here at this end. Suppose it has minus sigma, there is charge density. Suppose it has plus sigma charge density. So these induced charges, they are free charges. Okay. And suppose the electric field here is what? That is, say E. E is a net electric field inside this. Okay. Now the direction of the electric field in this conductor is in this direction. Okay. That means what? The total electric field will be what? E naught plus E, that is equal to 0. It's equal to 0. Okay, because they cancel each other. This is the condition of static condition. This condition is called static condition. Remember it. Okay, so this is the case of what? It is the case of the conductor. When the conductor is kept inside the electric field. Now suppose in case of out of this, if I take another example, if I take the dielectrics, then what will happen? In the dielectrics, okay, what will happen? In the dielectric also there will be induced charges. Induced charges will be there, right? And suppose the electric field is towards like this, from this to this direction. And here will be what? There will be a induced charges. Okay, so it's like this, suppose like this, induced charges are there. Positive, positive, positive. So the net field, here electric field will be what? Electric field will be again in this direction. But here if the total, if you are talking about the total electric field, so E naught plus E is not equal to 0. What makes this? The net electric field non-zero? It depends upon the orientation of the molecules which is present in this. What is that? Is the conductor and the dielectrics. So based on this orientation of the molecules, this dielectric is further divided into two types. One is what? It is a polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. Non-polar dielectrics. So these are two. They are very important. So what is non-polar dielectrics and what is polar dielectrics? So polar dielectrics are those dielectrics in which center of molecules coincide coincide each other. Okay, एक दूसरे के ऊपर coincide कर जाते हैं, coincide each other, right? Example इसका है H2 molecules, O2 molecules, etc. Okay, like this. In polar molecules, इसमें एकदम उल्टा है. इसमें क्या होता है? Centers do not coincide. Example क्या है इसके? Examples इसके हैं HCl, okay, H2O, etc. One more thing is what? इसके अंदर permanent dipole moment होता है. Okay, it has permanent dipole moment. Permanent dipole moment. Dipole moment. Okay, it is permanent dipole moment. It is permanent dipole moment. Okay, and it has no dipole moment. It has zero dipole moment. Zero होता है इसका dipole moment. क्या होता है? Zero dipole moment. Because what? Why it is zero? Because the centers are coincided. Coincide हो जाता है तो उससे उसका dipole moment होगा नहीं. Because the dipole moment, you know, it is always from negative towards the positive. हाँ? अब कैसे देखिए? तो इस जैसे हम इसमें लेते हैं. Suppose we take example here, we take this HCl. तो जब हम HCl की बात करेंगे तो HCl में क्या होता है? Cl molecule is big and hydrogen molecule is small. So it is like this. ये ऐसा बनता है. It is like this. ये देखिए. It is like this. Suppose ये आपका Cl molecule है, ये आपका H molecule. Cl is minus, this is plus. So dipole moment is from minus towards plus. तो इसका डायरेक्शन ये होता है. Cl से H की तरफ dipole moment. Similarly, if you take example of H2O, तो H2O में क्या होता है? H2O में क्या होता है कि suppose ये आपका हाइड्रोजन है, ठीक है, और ये आपका हाइड्रोजन हो गया, और यहाँ अपन दो ऑक्सीजन के मॉलिक्यूल लगा देते हैं like this. ये इस तरह से, okay, it is like this. तो ये आपका ऑक्सीजन हो गया, ये आपका हाइड्रोजन, okay, ये हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स बिगर वन, माइनस, ये प्लस. तो इसका जो dipole moment का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? वो ऐसे होगा. It is like this, in this direction. Okay, it's like this direction. So this is about the dielectrics and how they behave. Okay, means the orientations, the behavior of the molecules of the material. Okay, so that will define the what? Dielectrics. Okay, उसको define करता है. So this is very important that what we conclude in the polar dielectrics, or you can say the polar molecules, what happens? The center of the molecules, they coincide with each other. Okay, but in the non-polar molecules, the center are separated. Okay, even in the absence of electric field also. So how they behave in the presence of electric field and in the absence of electric field, let us look into that. Okay, you please take the screenshot of this. Okay, so we come to the next. That is the behavior of these dielectrics. That is what the polar and the non-polar molecules in the presence of the electric field and in the absence of electric field. Okay, how they behave. Let us look. This is very important. When electric field is zero, means in the absence of electric field, how they behave. So we make the two figures. Diagram बनाते हैं हम. And this. ये आपका दिस इज केस ऑफ द पोलर, ये हम पोलर का लेते हैं, पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स का, ये हम नॉन पोलर का लेते हैं, ठीक है, दिस इज नॉन पोलर. Here it is like this. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दिया ऊपर से ऐसे आ रही इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ओके, सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस, ऐसे बनेगा वन साइड लाइक दिस, ओके. Okay, means here we see that the negative and the positive, they are coinciding on one another, right? And in case of the non-polar molecule, it is like this. They are separated. It like this. It is like this. It is separate like this. Okay. Yes, it's separate. Okay. Do like this. Okay, it is in case of when the electric field is zero. In the absence of electric field, both of the molecules in the polar and in the non-polar, they are behaving like this. But when the electric field is not zero, it means what? When there is some electric field, then how these polar and non-polar molecules they are behaving? Okay, look here. It will behave like this. Okay. When there is electric field, so the behavior will be in like this. Behavior will be like this. It will be like this. And this orientation will be like this. Okay, it looks like this. Means the orientation will be now it is symmetrical. Before that, when there is no electric field, it is not in a symmetric way. Somewhere it is positive, negative, negative, positive. But when the electric field is there, they are in a systematic, in a symmetric form. It is like this. So this is what? This is one polar, this is the non-polar. This is how it is behaving. Okay. There is one more word comes that is called the dipole moment per unit volume. Okay. This is called polarization. Okay. Polarization. Polarization. Polarization means what? It is dipole moment per unit volume. Dipole moment per unit volume is called polarization. Okay. So the dipole moment, we know that it is directly proportional to electric field. So from this we conclude one thing, that is what P chi E. This is called chi. The symbol is called chi E. Okay. The chi is called what? This is called susceptibility. So क्या बोलते हैं? This is called susceptibility. Susceptibility. Susceptibility is very important topic. Susceptibility. Okay. So we know the dipole moment. Susceptibility is what is the ratio of the dipole moment per unit electric field. That is called the susceptibility. This is very important. Susceptibility is very important, right? So from this you can also find out what is the unit of this susceptibility. You can very easily find. Okay, so this is about the dielectrics, right? Now in the next topic, our next topic will go. It is the capacitor. Talk about the capacitor. It is very important topic. We talk about the capacitor. Okay, so for the dielectrics, this is okay. This is what is the okay. Thank you so much.